Hi guys, my name is Bridget and today we are going to do a workout which I'm very excited to do with you guys. It consists of body weight, so you won't need anything except yourself and a mat or the carpet and that bad bus energy. So nice and easy. Yeah, let's go get into this workout. Let's smash it out, and I hope you enjoy it and you feel a lot better for moving your body, getting some energy, releasing those endorphins and feeling fine.
I'm feeling like
It's gonna have lunges for 30 seconds on the left leg and then lunges on the other leg for 30 seconds just standing in the same spot. 30 seconds of hip thrust, 30 seconds of one leg reverse lunge, knee dried up, and then the other reverse lunge with knee dried up, 30 seconds of toe taps, and then we're gonna do 30 seconds of punching. Just thought I'd throw some upper body in there as well. Got 7 movements in there and we're gonna do 3 rounds of that. Let's go.
Now, I don't normally like getting up in the morning, but oh, Mr. Sun is shining down on me. So you chipped your nail, you stubbed your toe, you lost your phone. Life's a rolling stone on a broken roller coaster. Scream shit, move on, throw your hands up, move on. It's all good, today's your day. Time is filled with swift transition. Put yourself in good position if you want. Things can go your way. Ain't no time to smell the roses. Gotta get to where to go. The road's already been paved. Here I go, ready now. I'm coming for you. Can't nothing stop me. I got some things I gotta do. Hey, 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 hey. I'm making a move. Study long, study wrong. Ain't nothing gonna happen on its own. I'm making a move. Don't need no hickeys for this song. I got joy all through my soul. I'm making a move. Get up, get out. Mr. Sun is shining on me. I'm making a move. Got my lucky charms, time to move along. Yeah, I'm making a move. I'm making a move. Keep smiling, big days on the horizon for anyone willing to play. You gotta move, you can't lose. Get in the groove, you can't lose. Speed bumps only make you aware. It starts in your heart, so reach for the stars. You know you got charm, you can't do no harm. I hope you're prepared, cause when you get there, you'll be laughing and wilding like the principal there. Here I go, ready now. I'm coming for you, can't nothing stop me. I got some things I gotta do. Hey, 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 hey. I'm making a move. Study long, study wrong. Ain't nothing gonna happen on its own. I'm making a move. Don't need no hickeys for this song. I got joy all through my soul. I'm making a move. Get up, get out. Mr. Sun is shining on me. I'm making a move. Got my lucky charms, time to move along. Yeah, I'm making a move. I'm making a move. Got this feeling, yeah. Got this feeling, yeah. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. I got this feeling, yeah. Got this feeling, yeah. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. I'm making a move. Study long, study wrong. Ain't nothing gonna happen on its own. I'm making a move. Don't need no hickeys for this song. I got joy all through my soul. I'm making a move. Get up, get out. Mr. Sun is shining on me. I'm making a move. Got my lucky charms, gotta move along. Yeah, I'm making a move. Might as well choose the deadly. I'm making a move. I'm making a move. Move out my way, devil.
30 seconds rest and then let's do it all over again. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that one. It's a bit more like high intensity.
time.
for meaning, but our thoughts, they're just knots. Tangled, cause we like it like that. Caught in emotions, they're flaming underneath our skins. Are now friends with this heat, cause we like it like that. Looking at you, looking at me, words are fading away so easily. Oh, looking at you, looking at me. Words we've never said, dancing in my head. And the more I think, the more I'm left with. Words we've never said, dancing in my head. Why do we keep cutting each other off? Why do we keep cutting each other off? Why do we keep cutting each other off? We are now islands. The gap between us widens. The dense silence we left, cause we like it like that. The echoes in our bones, muted colors, broken songs. Passive aggressive, always, cause we like it like that. Looking at you, looking at me, words are fading away so easily. Oh, looking at you, looking at me. Words we've never said, dancing in my head. And the more I think, the more I'm left with. Words we've never said, dancing in my head. Why do we keep cutting each other off? 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 Words we never said. The more I think, the more I'm left with. Words we never said. Words we've never said, dancing in my head. The more I think, the more I'm left with. Words we've never said, dancing in my head. Why do we keep cutting each other off? Got me running on that no sleep. You threw my heart into the nosebleeds. You held my hand and it was so sweet. Like I've known you since I was 18. We didn't care about the time that we were wasting. No, we spent the summer in your backseat with the sun in our eyes, sun in our eyes. I would die a million
30 seconds rest, guys, and then we're on to the last round.
times for you, cause no one makes me feel the way you do. You got me feeling like, yeah, 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 yeah. I'm feeling like, yeah, 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 yeah. We could take it high till we way down low. Do this every night cause it feels so good, so good. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm feeling like, yeah, 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 yeah. We gon' leave it right, leave it like we should. Do this every night cause it feels so good, so good. You call me up, you're coming over. It's 3 AM and you ask 'cause no one makes me feel the way you do. You got me feeling like, yeah, 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 yeah. I'm feeling like, yeah, 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 yeah. We could take it high till we way down low. Do this every night 'cause it feels so good, so good. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm feeling like, yeah, 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 yeah. We gon' leave it right, leave it like we should. Do this every night 'cause it feels so good, feels so good. It feels so good. Looked away a little shy, couldn't look you in the eye when I noticed you. The way you walked up to me, thinking this can't be true. Oh, coming up a little strong, but you can't scare me. 'Cause you're feeling me with fire, electricity. Gonna give me good love. 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 You gotta give me
I do not know about you, but that workout was a killer. Let me know if you gave it a try in the comments below, what exercise you liked the most. Hope you enjoy the rest of your afternoon or the rest of your evening, whatever time it is. Good effort, guys. That was a solid workout.